How to change IP address on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. From here, you can connect to Wi-Fi, view available networks, and manage settings for joining networks and nearby hotspots. Go to the current Wi-Fi network that you're using and tap on the icon beside it as shown. On this page, you can view the name, password, Wi-Fi address, and more. You can also manage other settings below, such as limit IP address tracking, DNS settings, and more. Go to the IPv4 address section. You can view the IP address from here. If you want to change the address, then go to Configure IP above it. Here, select Manual. You can now manually type in your IP address, subnet mask, and router in the Manual IP section below. After that, tap on Save. Following these steps, you can easily change IP address on iPhone.